Hello, this is Dr. Garrett Castleberry, Associate Professor and Program Director of Communication, Media, and Ethics at Mid-America Christian University. I'm here with a preview, a breakdown of our supplementary readings for COM 4103, Special Topics in Media. Our special topic in this course is an introduction to film and genre. We're looking at a film survey, a setup arranged by genre, and we're reading about genre theory as we go. And so with our Unit 2 that we're working through right now, our Unit 2 includes John Sturgis, 1960, feature The Magnificent Seven. And with The Magnificent Seven, I've pulled just a couple of readings to give us some additional samplings of thoughts specifically about the Westerns to guide our schedule, to give us something additional to ponder, to think about, to consider on top of those regular readings. So hopefully it inspires us in some additional direction. I'm going to pull an excerpt once again from the Western Reader, edited by Jim Kitsis and Greg Rickman. However, this chapter is written by Doug Williams, all right? And so it doesn't specifically talk about, the author doesn't address the Magnificent Seven outright, but I think it ties into one of the themes that we were lecturing about and the way we were understanding the West as both a historical time period, but also a kind of narrative fiction created for audiences. And so Doug Williams' chapter is titled Pilgrims and the Promised Land, a genealogy of the Western. And so he's going to be looking at how many of these moral themes pervade throughout maybe the history of the West, but also the history of the Western, right? As an art form, specifically as we've examined it as a film form, all right? And so that's an essay that gives us some healthy cultural context about those themes. And second, I'm going to give us a sneak peek, all right? So an exclusive first look at an essay from the fresh off the press Ink and Letters, Volume 8. This is a 2019 publication, folks, and within it there is an essay that talks about the Magnificent Seven, and so it's a very exciting tie-in, a great opportunity to look at it. So here's a preview of the pages. It is from a prolific writer, Douglas Brody, and the title of this essay is South of the Border, Mexico as the Final Frontier in 1960s Westerns, The Magnificent Seven, and The Wild Bunch. All right, and so certainly we didn't have time to also fit The Wild Bunch in, but it's definitely a more progressive Western, somewhat of a violent Western that perhaps you could consider independently. And what this essay does is it's teaching us about pairing up films when writing about them, kind of looking at threads that cross over between multiple Westerns. And that is an excellent idea for us to consider, because that's a little bit of the business we should be doing in our genre journal exercises. All right, these genre journal essays, we're looking at threading themes between each of the features we study in each genre we tackle. And so that's a couple of readings. The South of the Border one, relatively brief, right? I find it extremely reader friendly. I think you all can sink your teeth into that and take away quite a bit. Look forward to that, and I will be back again with readings directed to our next class screening. So thank you for listening, and look forward to seeing you in class. Thanks.